Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I wanted to speak about Dermarolling. I wanted to show you what this little device can do to your skin. I wanted to show you my results after using it for the past 14 days, and I really hope that you will enjoy the video. So first of all, what is a derma roller? A derma roller is this small tiny wheel with hundreds of tiny needles in it, and they're taking care of different skincare concerns you might have. So the concept of the derma roller is to slightly damage your skin in order to send a signal to the brain that tells your skin to regenerate and generate collagen in order to have smoother, firmer, and more toned skin. And I first heard about dermarolling from Angelina Jolie, who swore by it. She said it's the best procedure out there, and it helps her to keep her skin smooth and without any wrinkles and rejuvenated, and she feels very well after doing that. And you can also see other TV stars and movie stars that are doing it, and models like Bar Raffaelli, Kim Kardashian. So that's why I decided to buy it, and I did not use it on a daily basis, and right now I finally decided to use it and see the results it's gonna have on my skin. So one procedure can cost from $100 up to $700 in a salon, and it depends on the size of the needles and of the damage you're doing to your skin. So the benefits of the dermarolling are to naturally fill in your wrinkles by creating more collagen, to repair your skin irregularities like scars, to stimulate the blood flow in order to create hair growth, to repair sun-damaged skin. It reduces the stretch marks, and the one I'm really looking for, it improves rosacea by thickening the epidermis. Please keep on watching if you want to see my results after using it for 2 weeks. Okay, so today is the first day that I'm gonna use the derma roller, and before doing that I make sure that my skin doesn't have any active breakouts, because if you have any eczema, any open wounds, it won't work, and you shouldn't use it. And this is the derma roller that I'm gonna use today, and the size of the needles is 0.25 millimeters. So I've already sanitized it and kept it in rubbing alcohol for 3 minutes. And now I'm gonna make just up and down movements for 5 times. And then in a different direction. So you do it to your entire face, where you have problem areas. So after I did this procedure to my entire face, I'm gonna use my favorite creams because they will absorb a lot better with this. So after the procedure, you will have a burning sensation on your skin. Everyone does, and you shouldn't worry about it. And also it's like after a sunburn, it's the same sensation, same feeling. So I'm just gonna use a sunburn cream that I really like. Yeah, and that is that. And this cream instantly calms your skin and brings like a sensation of a cooling sensation to your skin. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this. And also sometimes I'm using the hyaluronic acid, and this one is also very good. It came, by the way, with the derma roller, and I use it, and my skin stays moisturized all day long. And by the way, just a reminder, after this procedure, you shouldn't use makeup for about 24 hours. So it's perfect for the lockdown if you want to try it now. Okay, so today is the second time that I'm gonna use the Derma Roller, and I can only use it every other day, not every single day. And I will also insert a chart in the video of how often you can use it depending on the size of the needles. So for now, there's not a lot of difference from the Derma Roller. My skin is a bit reddish, it shines a little bit more, and I don't have any new breakouts, so that's a good thing. So I've already cleansed my skin with micellar water. And right now, I've already sanitized my Derma Roller, so we can start the procedure. And don't forget to apply your favorite cream afterwards because it absorbs a lot better. Hey guys, so it's been 6 days since I've started the treatment, and this is how my skin looks right now. And both my husband and my sister said that my skin looks better. It doesn't look a lot better yet. There's not a big difference, but I definitely have less irregularities, less scars, and it looks less reddish than before. So I'm really happy with the results for now. And they said that the first results are after 3 treatments, and that's what I had until now. So I'm looking forward to show you the final result. And I'm not gonna film the next procedure because you've already seen the process and everything. So I just wanted to show you the results, and I'm gonna film every single result that I'm gonna have after every session. So thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, so this is how my skin looks after 4 treatments. So it's better and better. I can feel it already. My skin is less textured, it's smoother, it's softer, and I'm really happy that I have less fine lines. I think it's because it produces more collagen. Yeah, I'm very happy that they're gone, even though I'm not using the Derma Roller here in this area. Because you're not allowed to use it there. And also I don't have any new breakouts, any new rednesses, so I'm very happy with that, and I can't wait to show you the final result. Hey guys, so this is how my skin looks like today. This is after 5 days of treatment. And as you can see, I have a tiny pimple right here. I think this is because I'm PMSing. Otherwise, my face, my skin looks great. I didn't notice anything else. My fine lines continue to fill in. I don't see them at all. Before I used to see them when my skin was dehydrated. So yeah, I just hope that this pimple will go away as soon as possible because I need to continue the treatments, and I wanted to do the 6th Dermarolling treatment today, but I cannot because of this pimple. And again, I just wanted to tell you not to use the Dermaroller when you have breakouts or pimples, because this might spread and you might have a ton of other pimples because of the bacteria spread on your entire face because of the needles. So yeah, just don't do that. Okay, so see you after my 6th treatment. Hey guys, so this is how my skin looks after 6 Dermarolling treatments, and I'm really happy with the result. Tomorrow is the last day that I'm gonna do it, but I already know that I'm gonna continue this because the most important with this is consistency. So if you're gonna use it for a few years, I'm sure that it's gonna help you with the anti-aging process and with fading your scars and everything else that bothers you. So see you tomorrow for the final results. So after using the Derma Roller for the past 2 weeks, I think that the pros of Derma Rolling are that it's not expensive, it doesn't take a lot of time, it's very easy to use, it's not painful, and it shows results very quickly comparing to other different procedures. And it's also good for all the different ages. And on the negative side, it can cause skin irritations and spread bacteria on your skin. When you already have acne, it can increase your acne and it can make you break out even more. So you shouldn't use it if you have acne. So I really love the Derma Roller and I will continue using it. And to everyone who's watching, please give it a try. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.